B section means Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. And currently there are around 100 student branches in UP, and I think that your branch is one among these 100 branches. Okay. So I was listening sir's talk. I just want to add one thing first about sir. Sir is fellow IEEE. Okay? Probably you must, you must not be knowing this thing, what is fellow IEEE. So in US, okay, if fellow writes a recommendation, no university can deny for any level of admission. In academics, this is the value of fellow. And in entire Uttar Pradesh, we are having only 4 fellows. Only 4 fellows. We may be having 400 Vidhayak, maybe, okay? Maybe hundreds of Sansad, many ministers, many IS officers, okay? But only 4 fellows. So, why I highlighted this thing means at your age, you should be sincere enough to grasp something. Okay? We are having only 4 fellows and we are proud of those fellows. Fellows are not distributed here and there. It is and if anybody worldwide is having that capability, let them allow to earn it. In entire UP, people are not able to earn. This year in India, only 6 fellows were granted. IEEE fellow, you are listening the lecture by IEEE fellow. And first time we could get the truth of his life. And it is very important. Okay? You should learn something from his discussions. People are here just to discuss with you for your betterment. Okay? So be sincere first, otherwise you can never grow. You write this thing and keep in your pocket. Okay? So in continuation to that, I just want to add one thing, lighter side. There is a small question. Marks in mark sheet are good or bad? Tell me. There is obvious question, answer. Yes, marks on mark sheet are always good. But there are certain observations. There are 3 types of students. Can you differentiate among these classes? The first one, which is continuously working very hard. Throughout the life, he is working hard. Even at the student age. The second one, who is very intelligent. Okay? It requires only one go, one shot, he can learn, he can grasp, he can generalize the things. So one may be a good learner, one may be a good generalizer. And the third category is the category which is basically a risk taker. Risk taker in the sense, maybe some selective studies, 5 questions, next day only 5 questions, it is hit, I got 100 out of that. Or there may be some sort of cheating. Yes, some risk is involved with the cheating as well. You may be found, okay, you may be caught, it may be 0 or it may be 100. True. So there are only 3 classes of students. All 3 classes can get good marks in mark sheet. So what do you mean? Now can you justify which class of the student is the best student?
The one who is working very hard.
The what? One?
Who is working hard.
How many support his answer? He has answered that the student who is working hard continuously. Agree? But there are 3 different kind of answers. Okay? He is true, the person who is working hard throughout the life, okay, will earn something, will run its family, that's it. Will run its life. एक मीडियोकर होता है वो रहे, okay. The person who is really intelligent, okay. So basically, which kind of people, I mean, what he may become in the future, he will never follow the path, whatever was decided for him. So he may be very big philosopher. So he will follow his own philosophy. If there is a conflict, he will change his life, his path. So who is leading the society? The third one. And this is the biggest problem actually in India. Okay? Sometimes the cheaters, okay? Sometimes, okay, risk takers, maybe big industry people. Yes, all, you give any example of any big industry, everybody took a great risk. I mean, they have taken the chance and they are leading the society. Okay. So now you need to decide which kind of people you are and what you want to do. Okay. Yes, it's fine. In UP, IEEE is growing in tremendous way. Okay. And try to become the fellow at least. This should be the dream of your life if you are following this technical field. Fellow means it is not only academician, any industry person can also become the fellow. So you try to achieve that level and then we can talk. Okay. So with these things I am just closing the discussion. Okay. And you think where you are, what you want to do and how you want to do. Yes, in UP we are having sufficient facilities for all the student members of IEEE. You can apply registration fee waiver with us. Conference organizers will provide it. We are providing this travel support. If you want to go to present your paper,